signs of evil are everywhere. And now we have this beast. I thought you might protect us.
Did you miss me?
Our world is divided between light and darkness. You are the seventh son of the seventh son.
What exactly do we do?
Since the beginning of time, we have protected mankind.
Teach me.
You think humanity is good? There is evil inside every one of them. They use you, and they will throw you to the fire. Why choose them?
If you see a witch, kill it.
We're not all evil, you know.
This is your most important test. Use everything I taught you. Show me what you are!
That is disgusting. What does that kill?
Cowardice.